Hey folks, this is Bob at Kingdom Horse Trailers in Henderson, North Carolina, just north of Raleigh, Durham, off of I-85 or US 1. We're open Tuesday through Saturday, 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. What I'd like to show you here is actually a brand new, it's a 2023, just before the 24s came out. This is a 2-horse straight load Kingmate with side ramp. I'm going to walk you through some of the features on this aluminum unit. It's 16.5 feet long. That is the floor length. 7 feet 6 inches tall by 6'4" wide. It does have the double Dutch doors and rear ramp. Also has the EZLift side ramp with a single Dutch door. It's a one-piece aluminum roof on the unit. It's coming in at just under 3,000 pounds curb weight. Like I mentioned earlier, it does have the 7-year structural warranty, and this being a Kingmate, does have the treated wood flooring by YellaWood that comes with a 20-year warranty. It does have the standard 42-inch tack room. There's the LED light above, pass through into the horse area. Here's our 2 saddle racks that come with the unit, brush box, matching spare, and breakaway kit battery. And we'll show you that door when we go inside there. Dropped window at the head area, big sliding rear window, riding on 15-inch steel wheels. Coming to the back, I've already opened the 50/50 Dutch doors. You can travel, of course, down the road with them tie back like this, but I wanted to show you how pretty it is from behind as well. Let's go ahead and get that ramp down and look at the inside. Okay, as we approach up here, we've got obviously our butt bars, breast bars. You can see once I open the 2 of these, we'll be able to slide the divider left or right for easier loading. We do have oscillating fans on both sides, as well as a light up by the head area. Got our horse tie up on each side. And again, another large slider on this side of the trailer, and of course there is the side ramp. Now, of course, being a straight load, this is going to be a very generously sized stall for your animals. 84 inches from butt bar to breast bar, and of course we have our wall up front with pass through into the tack room. Now, with the butt bars down, I can slide this over left or right, making loading and unloading quite easy. Okay, and wrapping up on the passenger side, there's our 50/50 Dutch door on the left and the single Dutch door above the side ramp tied back. Here's our 60-inch ramp. Walk on, walk off in ease and safety with this beautiful 2-horse straight load Kingmate. Again, this is a 2023 model with significant savings on this, just one at this price. Just give Bob a call, 919-930-6127. Online, www.nchorsetrailers.com. I have this 2023 in the platinum silver, and then I also have a 2025 in white. Be happy to show you either one or any one of the multitude of trailers on site here at Kingdom Horse Trailers, North Carolina.